Subscribe to Bootstrap Station if you haven't. And today we are going to downgrade VMware Workstation in any of the Windows version to an older version. Let's say right now I am having help about, and you can see I have 16.2 version installed, and I want to go to an older version. So first of all, close VMware and go to this first link. Here are the login details. Let me copy them. In the browser, click on login here after opening this first link and enter the details, the username and the password, and then click on sign in. Now after that, choose the VMware Workstation version which you want to downgrade to. So I am not going to the older versions like 15 or 14, but if you want, you can go. In the 16 version itself, I want to go to some other version and it's for Windows. So click on go to downloads here, and from here you can select the version. So let's say I want to go to 16.00 version. Click on it and click on download now. Accept the agreement and click on accept. Now it is going to download the older version of VMware Workstation. And until it gets downloaded, let us uninstall the current VMware version from the Windows. So make sure you have closed VMware. Now open control panel. You can get this type of view by clicking on category. Click on uninstall a program and then select VMware Workstation. Right click on it and click on change. Click on next. Then let us remove it. Click on remove. And I don't want to remove the product configuration and the license information because we need those as we are reinstalling VMware Workstation. So click on next and remove. It will give a pop-up. So click on yes on that and let's wait until it gets uninstalled. Uninstallation is complete. Click on finish. And let's wait until the older version is downloaded. So our file has successfully downloaded. Now we just install this build. Double click to install it. Click on yes in the pop-up menu. And now the setup will show up on the screen. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. Make sure the second option is tick marked. And if you want to use the enhanced keyboard driver, check mark first option. Otherwise, click on next. Don't want to join. Next. Next. Install. Older version installed. Click on finish. And now let me quickly open VMware Workstation. Just proceed with it. Click on continue. Click on yes in the pop-up menu and finish. And here we have the 16.0 version, the one which we downloaded. Now we have this virtual machine. If it doesn't power on, what you have to do is right click on it, click on manage, click on change hardware compatibility, click on next and choose the VMware Workstation that is currently installed in your machine that you have just installed. Select it and click on next. So like if I was installing VMware Workstation 15, I will be selecting that. Click on next and alter this virtual machine. Next, finish and click on close and make sure that your virtual machine is powered off. It means it has been shut down. Then only you change these settings. So right now I am having this 16 version. So I'm going to check mark this 16x version. Next, alter this virtual machine. Next and finish and click on close. And now if you run your virtual machine, it will work for sure. Close VMware. So please subscribe to Boostup Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.